Hey guys, so I'm recording this quick video to help you out with your assignment that I'm going to give to you on Delta Math. So I've also posted some notes that should help you out as well. And these are all based on parallel lines and transversals. So parallel lines, as you may know, are lines that will never touch. And in this case, these two lines right here are our parallel lines. They're going to keep on going forever and they will never touch once. And then a transversal is a line that cuts through the lines, the parallel lines. So when we have this situation, all we need is to know the angle of one of these, and we'd be able to find every single angle that is formed here. In this case, we should have 8 angles. And so the notes go a little bit more into detail of how we classify each angle, but it's very easy. There are only two options that we could possibly have. We can either have a large angle or we can have a small angle. So we can have an obtuse or an acute angle. So in this case, let's just say that we have 135 right here. So 135, because this is an obtuse angle, would go right here. So based on that, 135, we would need to find what this small angle is. So if you notice, they are both on a straight line, which means they would be supplementary. So two supplementary angles means that we are going to subtract 135 from 180. So 135 from 180 would be 45 degrees. So that means that this angle would be 45. Now, based on that, we are going to be able to find every other angle for this problem. So one easy one is that angles that are straight across from each other are going to be equal. So these angles that are across from each other are both 135, just like these angles across from each other are both going to be 45. And again, we have a small angle in here and we have a large angle down here. These two angles are both going to be supplementary. Therefore, this will be 135. And these two angles right here should also be supplementary. So this should be 45. And then finally, we have these angles that are also on a line. So they're right across from each other. That means that this angle is 135 and this angle is 45. So using that logic and the logic from from the notes that I gave you as well, you should be able to find every single angle if you are given one angle, and that's what your homework is going to be about. So please complete the full homework to receive credit.